Today I'm going to show you 10 ways to say hello in Spanish.
Hola. Hola.
This is the most common way of saying hello in Spanish. It is an everyday expression and can be used at all times. Good morning.
Buenos días. Buenos días.
This is a more formal way of saying hello in Spanish. It's the equivalent of good morning in English. This is a phrase you will normally use in the mornings with your loved ones and friends, or coworkers. What's up?
¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal?
This is an informal greeting to be used among friends in a casual setting. It is similar to the English, what's up? How are you?
¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás?
This is the most common phrase to ask someone how they are doing. Long time no see.
¿Cuánto tiempo sin verte? ¿Cuánto tiempo sin verte?
This is a casual greeting used when you haven't seen someone in a long time. It is especially used when you meet that person unexpectedly. How's it going?
¿Cómo te va? ¿Cómo te va?
This greeting translates to something like, how's it going? It can be used in formal or informal situations.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa?
It's another super colloquial way to ask, what's up, or what's going on. Good afternoon.
Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes.
It's commonly used between noon and sunset. Good night.
Buenas noches. Buenas noches.
This one's a little different than in English, because it translates to both good evening and good night. This is because in Spanish, there's no word for evening, so we use the word night for both. Hey.
Oye. Oye.
This greeting is also another word for hello. It's basically equivalent to hi or hey in Spanish. Just a short and easy word.